this is improvisation nuts. We actually started with a very basic thing that all of you can already do. We just walked to music, and you could do slow steps or do some more like faster steps. We added triple steps in there, and essentially I just asked you to move around the floor and explore that like idea of flow. So it's not just like separate steps, it's like you go with whatever momentum is taking you. Then we started adding moves to that. So we still kept the walking, but in there you were kind of like weaving the classic steps. And the classic steps we did was this one, book step. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we had a boogie draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boogie forward. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boogie back. 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we also had our loops. Bum, bum, bum. So those are the moves I gave you to work with, but also if there was something else you wanted to introduce, you could. And that's kind of what we did. We just put those moves within that walking around the room and then tried to shrink the amount of walking we did and more like strum those moves one after the other while keeping the flow. And that's kind of what we did, but there were a lot of really good ideas there that you guys shared. We'll continue next time. Bye!